Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today the topic which I am going to deliver before you is for the students of 11th class, economic students, for the 12th class economic students. It is for the 12th class economic students. The topic is circular flow of income. Circular flow of income. What is circular flow of income? The flows of production, income, and expenditure form a circularity with no beginning or an end. With no beginning or an end, which is why it is called circular flow of income. Which is why it is called circular flow of income. I repeat once again. The flows of production, income, and expenditure form a circularity with no beginning or an end. With no beginning or an end, which is why it is called a circular flow of income. There are three phases of circular flow. There are three phases of a circular flow, like this in figure. These are three phases. These three phases are production is one. Production sector is one phase, and income is the second phase, and expenditure is the third phase. It circulates here from production to income, in income generation or income distribution, and from this income it goes to expenditure of income. It goes to expenditure of income or disposition of income. Then again it reaches to production sector, and production sector and income sector to expenditure sector. So in this way it circulates. But these are three phases of this circular flow: production, income, and expenditure. But circular flow can be shown. Now this circular flow of income can be shown in 2-sector model, 3-sector model, and 4-sector model. It can be shown, circular flow can be shown in 2-sector, 3-sector, and 4-sector models. But this time we'll talk about this 2-sector model. What is this 2-sector model? One sector is here household sector. And the other is production sector. The other is production sector. This production sector, or in other words, we say firm. It's also called firm, this production sector. The circular flow with 2-sector economy. Can be explained with the help of following diagram. In a household sector and the production sector. This diagram shows that there are only 2 sectors in the economy, viz. Household sector and production sector. Household sector has the endowment of factors of factors of production. Factors of production. Land, like this. Household sector gives factor services. Factor services, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Household sector gives this production sector, and production sector in return gives to household sector factor payments. Factor payments. Factor payments. What are those factor payments? Land gives rent, labor wages, and capital interest. Entrepreneurship profit. Entrepreneurship profit. Household sector has the endowment of factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship, and sell them to the production sector. Which produces goods and services by using these factor inputs. Produces goods and services by using these factor inputs in a land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship, by using these factor inputs. Production sector sells goods and services to the household sector for its consumption. Hence, whatever the production sector produces, is consumed by the household sector. It is called a real flow. Which involves goods and services. It is called a real flow. This is a real flow. And the other is money flow. Household sector gives production sector expenditure on goods and services. It's also money flow. And the production sector gives household sector goods and services real flow. It's called real flow. Now, household sector provides factor services. To production sector, and in return, production sector pays the household sector in the nature of wages for labor services, rent for land, and capital, interest for capital, and profit for entrepreneurship. This income is used by household sector. This income is used by household sector. This income is used by household sector to incur expenditure on buying consumer goods and services produced by the production sector. This flow of money, payments and expenditure is known as money flow. Here is also explain the circular flow of two sector economy is one question. The other is illustrate real flow and money flow in an economy consisting of only two sectors. रियल फ्लो एंड मनी फ्लो भी यहाँ क्लियर हो गया कि रियल फ्लो किसे कहते हैं और मनी फ्लो किसे कहते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन है कि या रियल फ्लो और मनी फ्लो आप एक्सप्लेन करें या ये कि टू सेक्टर इकोनॉमी आप एक्सप्लेन करें. तो ये था आज के लिए 12th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. काफ़ी फी अमान अल्लाह.